Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Tuesday, and we're at the 26th of July, 2022, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Well, we opened up today the FOMC meeting that began this morning. It's a two-day affair, culminating tomorrow at 1 o'clock p.m. with the Fed statement. Market is anticipating a three-quarter or 75 basis point rate hike, not a 100 one. We're getting serious amount of earnings coming in, be it the Coca-Cola, GE, I can go on and on. It's company after company. Shopify today announced a 10% reduction in their workforce. Metal markets starting to stabilize, but copper starting to get a bid. I find that very interesting. We have recovered off the morning lows in the euro, but as you can see, this market was down over 100 points. And in fact, most of the currency markets, with the exception of the yen against the dollar, are at this point in time dropping against the dollar. If you saw yesterday's crop conditions report when it came out in the grain market, the one thing that was very evident is we're seeing stress in all the markets. Now, this is a key time for the soybean market as you're in the blooming and then setting the pod stage and so on for what is going on. So I'd pay close attention to that. Bonds and notes today getting a bit of a bid right in front of the Fed meeting, but that means lower rates right in front of it. Now, if you're watching the curve yield, the 210, it's out to 25 basis points. That's the highest it's been, period. We haven't seen that in many, many, many years. I can't give you enough manys. Energy markets up. In Europe, the European Union got together and they have decided a 15% cut in natural gas usage. There are exceptions. Hungary was the only country that objected, but it did not require a unanimous vote to get past there. Let's take a look at the other data for the day because it is important, and let's get through this right through here. Here we go. All right. Redbook weekly sales. You know, it seems that every week it's up between 11 and 13.5%. It was. Now, this is sort of an interesting number, the Case-Shiller 20 metro homes. If you take a look, the month over month up 1.5%, so it's slowing the amount of gains. It's been slowing for quite a while now. On a year-over-year basis, though, wow, up a whopping 20%. Don't you wish your stock portfolio was doing that? The Richmond Fed's going to update their July monthly manufacturing sector index. The Conference Board U.S. consumer confidence will come out this morning. That's for the June. It's expected at 101. New home sales data will come out for June this morning at 9 o'clock. And we get the API numbers coming out today at 3:30 in the afternoon. But really the elephant in the room has to do with the market waiting for tomorrow morning, the FOMC at really tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock, and then on Thursday morning, GDP numbers. And already the Biden administration is all over that saying, hey, if you look at the numbers, unfortunately, what you're going to see is, yes, don't worry about it. Things aren't as bad as it is. Things are just as bad as it will appear. Now, for those of you that want more information on how to work with this, and I can't get over how many people don't understand the 1970s when Paul Volcker was our Fed chair and how he had to deal with inflation. This is not the same time. At that point in time, the dollar was a crash. This time around, the dollar's the kingpin. So understand key differences. That's all explained and worked on in the cause and effect PDF download that's here. I created this during the Volcker times. It is as good today as it was the day I created it. Pivot points, along with the Arun indicator, 2 free courses included in this. Chart patterns, a download, put it on your desktop. Get used to these, recognize what they are. And then all of the Chicago Mercantile courses along with our charting software, all included in this for you. So how do you get this? Because it's just a download. It's so simple to get it. You go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Under free offers, you'll see the futures trading kit. Give it a click. You can also move your cursor to the top up here. Click the icon. That'll help you get that as well. I'm Ira. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up. Good trading to you.